This is the Lakewood 223 third generation. This one's pretty clean, it's in pretty good shape. There's a few slats missing on the grills, but other than that it's fine. There's really no rust or anything. And the front grill, looking at it, it's in pretty good shape. Well, there's a couple missing right there, but that's no big deal. It's got a Macmillan shaded pull motor. The sticker on the motor says 1.7 amps. The engraving on the bottom of the frame says 2.1 amps. I think the 1.7 amp rating on the motor is just what it would pull if it was unloaded, like it didn't have a blade on it, because it actually pulls a little bit more when when it's running normally. So I think the 2.1 amp is a little bit more accurate. Yes, I did take the motor apart and clean it, and I oiled it. It wasn't really that dirty to start with, and it was oiled pretty well, but I wanted to do it anyway. And it's got a nice long spin down time. So I'm going to face it that way, and we'll do an amp draw test. Let me turn that to amps. Alright, let's start it up on high. That's what we're pulling on high. The corner of this grill is vibrating a little bit for some reason. But it's pretty well balanced. It's not too loud. I like the way these sound a lot. Now our medium. I wish it wasn't making that vibrating noise. It wasn't doing that before. I don't know why it's doing it now. Okay, I got it to stop making that vibrating noise. I tightened that screw a little bit more, so it's quiet now. And now down to low. This one has an ultra quiet low speed. So we're pulling on low. And it takes a decent amount of time to come to a stop because it's very well lubricated. So let's, when it does come to a stop, I'm going to do an amp draw test going up to high. Alright, here we are starting up to high. Okay, and since this really doesn't have a startup sound, I'm not going to do that, so I'll do it for this one. There's a few more to come.